Good morning guys, I'm Jess, real estate broker here in Dumaguete City. For today's video, I have here my valued client, Ma'am LV Frijoles, who invested not just one, not just two, but multiple units here in Richwood Homes. First of all, thank you kay Ma'am L for giving me the time to have you as my guest in this video. Thank you also for choosing me as your real estate broker here in Dumaguete City. So, Ma'am L, unsa man jud ang mga reasons nga nung ni-choose ka to invest here in Richwood Homes?
The reason why I choose Richwood Homes, Ma'am Jess, kay accessible kay siya sa mga like malls, banks, universities, and hospitals. And also less than 15-minute drive off to Robinson's Mall. Ang Bako, naa siya proposed and approved international airports. And daghan kay possibility nga ang atong mga turista modagsa diri dapita og mga kuha na sila og mga places like units para mag-abang sila diri sa ato ang lugar. And also guys, from the city going to this area, may diversion road tayo, very wide, and hindi ka maka-experience ng heavy traffic. That we can assure you that. And also this place, Richwood Homes, elevated siya at hindi ka mag-worry about sa flood. We're flood-free here in Richwood Homes. And this Richwood Homes, guys, very accessible sa tourist destination dyan sa Valencia. Ang Valencia, pwede ka mag-spelunking, hiking, and mountaineering. Also, guys, very accessible tayo dito. Next town sa Darwin, na famous siya sa diving spots and also beaches.
So now let's talk about amenities, Ma'am L. Since you have been 2 years here in Richwood Homes, unsay imong mas story about sa atong mga amenities diri?
Richwood Homes offers a place for children to play and also basketball court for athletic events. Guys, sa Richwood Homes, natay clubhouse that you can use or rent for a minimal amount in any occasions and events. And also we have pool now. Pwede na magamit ang pool for the homeowners and guests. There is a Richwood Home, guys. Doon na tayo 12 guards who's looking after sa security sa homeowners. With that, we feel safe living here in Richwood Homes.
Happy to hear that, Ma'am Elv. So, Ma'am Elv, unsa imong ma-advise sa mga dugay nga gagaplano makuha ang balay diri sa Dumaguete?
Mga kababayan, ang akong kaistorya ninyo, kuha na gid mo karon dayon kay ngano, barato pa ni siya. Ang Richwood Homes, dili siya hassle nimo i-avail. You know, dali kay siya nimo ma-acquire ang mga units diri. Unid na nata nga member ta sa Pag-ibig. They offer in-house financing and less hassle, guys. This is open to all businessmen, freelancers, OFWs, employed, self-employed, and you have the capacity to pay.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Elv, sa imong time og sa pag-share nimo sa imong mga experience sa imong pag-invest diri sa Richwood Homes.
It's really a pleasure, Ma'am Jess. Hurry, avail na guys, kay road to sold out na dito ang mga units. You can contact Ma'am Jess Catalan Samson, my real estate broker here in Richwood Homes, Dumaguete City.